Hey, you guys want to have some quiet off-road fun? It's 2020 KTM Freeride. It's just a blast. It's quiet. It's not going to bother your neighbors. Got plenty of power. Lightweight. Just a fun little bike to go out and have some fun in the dirt with. It's different, totally different experience than the 2-strokes or 4-strokes we all grew up with, but this thing's a blast. Tired of the neighbors complaining? Get yourself a KTM Freeride. This 2020 is just a blast. Plenty of power. You want just some time to go out, goof around, lightweight bike, flick the thing around. Super impressive. This thing's really a blast to ride. Super nimble. Anybody can throw it around. Smooth as all get out. So anyhow, just wanted to do a quick review on the 2020 KTM Freeride. Just a first impression. And again, you're not bugging the neighbors. Dude, this thing is awesome. Yeah.